Just for the truck. Let's see if anything came. Oh, look at this. The Havelock Wool came. Cool. Wow.
Welcome to another episode of Van Building. In this video, we want to cut and glue down the furring strips, insulate the floor with Havelock Sheep Wool, and install and screw down the plywood floor. Let's get started with measuring and cutting the furring strips. I was using a Loctite PL Marine Fast Cure adhesive sealant to glue down the furring strips. This adhesive sets in just 30 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours. It generates a strong yet flexible bond. The adhesive is ideal for bonding wood to metal, especially in moving vehicles. To insulate our van, we chose Havelock Sheep Wool. Sheep wool is a natural, sustainable insulator with a very high R value. It actively manages moisture and is helping to keep our van dry and free from mold, mildew and rust. Havelock Wool also excels at absorbing road noise and reducing unwanted noise. After installing the Havelock Wool, I placed the plywood subfloor and screwed it into the furring strips. I would suggest marking the side walls where the furring strips are located.
I hope you enjoyed this first episode of a van conversion and how to install a subfloor. Stay tuned for more content and see you around. Bye for now.